Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PMCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not a whole lot of new things going on, but there is an update and more so kind of confirmation than anything else. But first thing I want to do is just a little house cleaning and get rid of a couple of these lines, namely this one here. From a presentation standpoint, yes, that line I deleted still pertains, but like I said, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to get rid of the irrelevant ones right now. And that green line was definitely irrelevant, especially since the price has now been, up all the way here. I am still going to leave 0.077, which is that green line right there. And you can see that you also have the purple line, which is creeping upwards. That is the famous 200, or not 200, the 50 period simple moving average. This is the 200 down there. But the 50 period simple moving average is, just more so the near-term trend indicator, meaning as long as the price is up above that purple line, then as far as I'm concerned, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. And you can see a couple instances where the price, bounced beautifully off it there. Didn't quite hit it, but got down within the vicinity. Once again, right there, didn't quite hit it, got down within the vicinity. And as long as, like I said, the price stays above the purple line, then the bulls are firing on all cylinders as far as I'm concerned. Now, the first update here that needs to be made is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that remember yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.085 as a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, you would want to see this act as support, and it's actually already been acting as support. Price broke above it, and you can see quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. Now, this is the ideal level, meaning, Clay, what would make the chart look the strongest going forward? If the price can hold above 0.085, yeah, that would make the chart look the strongest, but I'm not saying if the price, fails or falls below it that, it's an epic fail and that everything is, ruined. Not saying that at all, because again, you still have these other levels of support that I've talked about. And then earlier on, I mentioned kind of just confirmation of just levels that I've talked about before. And that's right here at 9 cents. For those of you that watched yesterday's video, talked about 9 cents as resistance, and I'm not going to count the number of times, but you can see a whole lot of history now with the price just hovering right up here around 9 cents, including, going back to yesterday right there. So 9 cents, there's definitely some sellers hanging up around there. Not saying that the price can't break through it, just saying that apparently, as the chart is telling us, the bulls really are going to have to bring their A game in order to fight up through 9 cents. So not the most exciting day today, but still a healthy day. So let's see what tomorrow brings. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.